na ito. Tapos ganito na siya kala. Ibang nga sa atin.
Everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went. Everywhere that Mary went, that lamb was sure to go. All right, sing with me. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary.
So, magandang hapon. Kasi kamagising ko lang. So, magpupunas tayo ng wipes. So, guys, kung sino yung hindi pa nakaka-subscribe, ayan, kanina pa yan nandyan. Yung pinapakita ko yung kwintas na yun. Kanina pa yan nandyan. Ha? Hindi pa yan nandyan. Hindi ako na-follow. Punas na tayo ng wipes. Para, para wala kang bumang araw kasi dahil siya dun. Ito siya, nasa Shopee din.
No, Dada. Daddy's in the kitchen. Bear?
Narinig niyan.
Oh, the teddy bear? You see the teddy bear. It's a brown teddy bear.
Pugsain. So guys, may papakita ko sa inyong teddy bear.
Play with it.
Andito na ang teddy natin. So tingnan nyo muna yung tenga. Yan yung tenga niya.
Breathe slow and
Tapos,
steady.
3,
Everything's okay.
1.
Take it belly
Ito na si Teddy! Pumunta kayo sa account ko, scroll nyo, makikita nyo na siya dun sa ano ko. Pero wag lang scroll, subscribe nyo naman, pati like nyo naman. Pati mag-comment na rin kayo, kahit ano yung comment.
Taking deep breaths helps.
Katabi ko
Can you try it?
guys.
Put a stuffed animal on your belly and make it
Tapos na
rise.
ito eh.
Great job.
Diba gaganto mo siya, gaganyan mo siya. Tapos, lang. Mag-main feeling main character.
Stop.
Diba main character? So,
Stop. Breathe
Oh!
slowly. There's no need to shout.